How to make money option trading Robinhood. Hi everyone, in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make money on option trading. Now option trading on Robinhood can be strategies to potentially make money, but it comes with its own set of risk. Here are some steps consideration for the option trading on Robinhood. First of all, if you're using a Robinhood app, you can explore the option trading section and familiarize yourself with the platform interface or options as well. So for that you need to go to your profile, and here you have the option trading. You can go through it, and that's how you can familiarize yourself with the option trading. Now many platforms including Robinhood offers paper trading or virtual trading account. By practicing your option trading strategies without risk real money to gain experience as well. You can also understand the risk. Option trading involves significant risk, including the potential loss of entire investment. Be aware of the risk associated with, and only trade with money you can afford to lose. Now similarly, if you buy your option for less than your original selling price, you'll profit. Now if you buy it for more than your selling price, you'll realize a loss. So if you buy it at the same price as you're selling, you'll break even. So that is how you can make money on option trading Robinhood. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.